I want is to trace back to the proponent or proponents, no matter how many proponents there are. If these are amendments to the amendments, then fine. But we have to be able to identify kung sino po yung proponent or proponents ng amendments. Can we do that, Mr. President? Kasi we are for full transparency. The best or the most genuine transparency is full transparency. Kasi kung hindi rin full transparency, parang ano tawag dyan? Ayoko sabihin ng lolokohan, ano? Pero hindi rin fully transparent eh. It will defeat the purpose, Mr. President. Because what we should know or identify, yung proponent, kasi nandoon po yung taguan eh. Pagka hindi ma-identify, back to the proponent or proponents of the amendment or amendments, kanya-kanya tayo singitan na naman dyan, Mr. President.
Well, Mr. President, that's why when we were